All right, as far as our forecast goes, we are looking at some strong thunderstorms possibly moving into our area later on this afternoon. What you're seeing back off to the west right now, scattered showers, light for the most part, will impact our northwestern counties, Dade, Walker County, maybe even into Floyd County as well. You may get a sprinkle or two dot on your windshield. Other than that, we got a dry commute for this morning. This afternoon is where we're starting to see that rain start to intensify a bit. The other thing is the winds will start to pick up as well. Even outside of any thunderstorms that roll in, some of those winds could be strong. Because of all that rain we had on Tuesday, the ground is already saturated, so a little bit of wind could knock over some of those weak trees, so be on the lookout for that. By noon today, 49 degrees will be a temperature, 61 for an afternoon high. We're watching out for thunderstorms by then, and then things should begin to wind down as we head into the 7 o'clock hour tonight. 57 degrees will be our temperature. The rain should be well east of us. This is a fast mover, so again, not expecting as much rain as we saw earlier in the week. That was a lot of rainfall, beneficial for our deficit, but a nuisance to drive through and navigate through, right? Notice the winds are on the light side. Even got some calm conditions out there, all single digits, but they will pick up as we head through the afternoon, anywhere between 15 and 20 miles per hour as far as those wind speeds go, even higher up here to the north. So this is actual wind speeds. When you talk about the gust, it'll be higher than that. All right. Because of that, we have a wind advisory area-wide. Looking at winds anywhere between 15 and 20 miles per hour. Gusts will be in the 40-mile-per-hour range. Up here to the north, our northernmost counties, a high wind warning will kick in at 7 o'clock this morning and will last through 7 o'clock tonight. You're looking at gusts in the 50-mile-per-hour range, and certainly that can knock over some trees and lead to power outages, so be advised of that. Right now, those storms are well west of us, and you can see the red boxes here. That indicates tornado watches. We've already had a couple tornado warnings on a few of these. That all is making its way toward us. Now, we'll get the scattered showers in here first, and then that line of showers and thunderstorms not moving through till about 2 o'clock. I'll say after 2 o'clock this afternoon is when that will start to slide through our area. And so we'll be watching very, very closely, especially in between that cold front and that warm front. We'll be watching to see the very strong thunderstorms. Now, will that warm front make it through our area? That's still in question, so we'll be watching that as well. If it does, that means we could see some stronger storms. Right now, we have a level 2 threat for severe weather. The level 3 threat is back off to the west of us. Up here to the far north, we've got the level 1 threat. So our far northern counties under that marginal risk. We have the slight risk from Rome over toward Augusta, down through Atlanta, and then further down into the state. Our main threat with this would be the damaging winds. All right, got a medium threat for the rain. We'll have some heavy rain, some heavy pockets, but it won't be as heavy as we saw on Tuesday. Low tornado threat. Okay, it's not ruled out, but it's a low tornado threat here in North Georgia. You go down to the central and southern portions of the state, that's where it gets a little bit higher, and so can't rule out a tornado, but it's a low threat for us. Here it is, our forecast track model. You can follow along with me with the time right there at the top of the screen. Shows the clouds increasing first, and then we'll have those scattered showers moving in. By 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, this is what we'll be dealing with. Some heavier pockets of rain. Watching that line of showers and thunderstorms making their way into the area, likely to be over the metro area between 3 and 4 o'clock, and then should be east of us by the time we get to 6, 7 o'clock tonight. Drier air will begin to work in, and cooler air will come our way as well. Over the weekend, we'll have the sunshine around, but only 46 for the high on Saturday. Sunday, we're looking at 50 for a high. And look at this. Next week, those temperatures will be down, high temperatures now, down into the 30s. It's going to get cold next week.